your project has now come to an end and you see that there's a pile of material sitting in the driveway still. Common sense leads you to believe that that material is your material. You don't want to keep it, so you want us to give you a refund for the material that we have sitting in your driveway. What we as a company are constantly trying to do is figure out every single way that we can avoid having our team stop at a gas station or stop at a supply house. What we do is we order 10 to 15% extra material for the job site. Stuff is gonna come damaged, it might come the wrong size, it might come scuffed, it might come dirty, and we now have the ability to go through that material and select the stuff that's best fit for your house and then return the stuff that isn't. Now your question is, why don't I get a refund? Well, we've given you a fixed contract. We're not cost plus. So in this case, we're saying that the job is gonna cost you X and we don't raise the price if materials go up. If you bought 6 months ago, likely we've seen commodities go up and we're not pushing that price onto you. Because we're fixed contract and we're giving you fixed prices on things, you just don't get a refund.